In this video, I'll show you how to set up a fingerprint on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go to Settings, tap on Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll down and select Password and Security. And then here you want to select Fingerprint. Tap on that. And if you've not set a lock screen PIN, pattern or password, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. But if you have already set up one, enter it to proceed. And now you need to tap on Add Fingerprint. So now you're going to follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint. So tap on Next. And now you want to place your finger on this sensor and keep moving your finger around at different angles for the sensor to capture all sides of your finger. So use various angles, place it on there. So scan the fingerprint edge. So you want to place your finger like that and like that. Like that. And once it's successfully scanned, tap on Finish. And now you have added your fingerprint. Now when you want to unlock your phone, you have the option to use a fingerprint or a pattern. So you can unlock with a fingerprint like that. That's basically how to register or add a fingerprint to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.